Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to use croquis for digital fashion sketching using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. To begin, let's quickly explore our design library. Using the search bar, type in croquis to find a suitable base sketch. Repsketch offers a vast library of vector sketches contributed by professional designers. This women croquis design looks perfect as our starting point. So let's click the Edit button to repurpose this sketch in the next step. Step 2. Remix. Now we have our base ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. First things first, let's begin by ungrouping our croquis design objects. We'll focus on the front croquis for now, so delete the others. Next, we'll customize this croquis to create a plus-size version. Drag in a reference image and arrange the layers, aligning the guidelines. Double-click on the croquis to expose the vector nodes and adjust them to match the plus-size body shape. Do this across the entire body, then reposition the internal lines to match the guidelines. And there you have it, our plus-size croquis is ready. Let's see how we can use these croquis for fashion sketching. Navigate to the Components pane and search for a dress sketch. Repsketch offers a repository of design components that are perfect for inspiration and speeding up customization. This women's bodycon dress looks interesting, so drag it into our workspace. Resize and align it with a regular size croquis. Ungroup and delete the back for now. Edit the dress to fit the croquis by adjusting the vector nodes. Once done, duplicate the dress for the plus-size croquis and adjust it to fit, aligning the waist tie accordingly. That's it. Our bodycon dress for 2 different body types is ready. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit Generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.